You are attending computer coding class.
Welcome. Today our topic is input box in Python tkinter. Here we will create pop-up window to insert any value. We will learn how to insert string, integer and float values. Let's start coding. First of all, we will import tkinter package as tk. Next, we will import simple dialog class from tkinter package. Now we will create root object by using tk function tk dot capital T and lower k with parenthesis. Now we will set the title of our application as input box. Next we will design our application. First of all, we will place a label in our application that will display the outcome of our application. Here we are setting width and height of label. Next we will create a button in our application so that when we click this button, an event will be generated. Now we will position both the component label and button by using grid manager. Here our screen is divided in the form of rows and columns. So here first we are placing label in first row and first column and button in second row and first column. At the end of application, we will write the command root.main loop for execution of this application. Now we will create a function that will invoke when we click our button. Here I am creating a function named sum that will input two values from the user and display the summation of these two values. Now we are connecting our function with button. In this function we will input two values by using pop-up window. First of all, we will input two integer values. To enter these two values, we will use function askInteger. That is the part of simple dialog class. So we will write simple dialog dot askInteger, then parenthesis. In this parenthesis we will set the title of our pop-up window and then the prompt. Prompt means what will be displayed in our input box. Here we will display input x values. Same, we will create another window for input y values. So here we will write y equal to simple dialog dot askInteger and in prompt we will write input y. Now we will print the summation of both these values in our label. Here we will write label.configure and in parentheses we will write text equal to x plus y. But here we can only display string value, so we will convert this integer value summation into string by using str function. Now we will run the program. You can see both label and button. When we click on button, it just asks the value of x and y. Here I am inserting two integer value 5 and 6 and it is displaying the summation 11. When I try to insert any float value, then it just display the error because here I am using ask integer pop-up window, so it will only input integer values. I can also not input any alphabet, only integer values are allowed here. Next pop-up window is ask float. Here we can insert both integer and float values by using ask float input box. This is the second input box. First one is ask integer. Now we will run the program, and when we click on add item button, it will ask the value of x. Here I am inserting both float values, and you can see it is displaying the result also in float values. These are real values. Now our third pop-up window is ask string. Here we can insert any value like float, string or integer, but it treat all the value as string only. Now we will click on the button and input first value. Here I am inputting 5 and second value is 6. Now it will display the summation of 5 and 6 as 5, 6, because here when we use plus operator between two string value, it just concatenate both the value. I am inserting another input Ram and Ayan, and it is displaying concatenated value Ramayan. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel.